Yeah, please, sir.
For the press interaction today, I shall briefly explain the...
Yeah, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I would welcome the DGP who has come all the way from Jammu to be part of this important briefing. Of course, to the entire media fraternity which is covering this event. I would like to compliment all the agencies who are working towards peace in the valley, which includes both the security forces as well as the civil administration. We are all working as one. We are looking at this process as a whole of the nation approach. My compliments especially to all the security forces who have been successful in the recent operations, the Jammu and Kashmir Police, the CRPF and the units on ground of the Indian Army. They have done wonderfully. We have had a spate of successful operations, with the latest one which was conducted over the last 24 hours plus, in which we have got 8 terrorists neutralized in 2 different operations. I must specifically make a mention of the one in which we neutralized 3 terrorists, which was next to the mosque. Extreme restraint was exercised by the security forces to ensure that no damage was caused to the structure. I must also make a mention here that with every operation that is being concluded, we are moving on the path of peace. I can feel it on ground. There is a palpable difference that at the end of every operation, the next operation is taking place under much cleaner circumstances, if you can put it. And for this, I would also compliment the Awam of Kashmir, because they are believing in peace. And it is their belief in peace which is leading to these successful operations. And I'm sure at the end of the next few months, we will be able to take this peace process forward and ensure that normalcy is brought into the environment. In the last few months, in fact, beginning of this year, we have had almost 102 terrorists neutralized. And because of the professional manner in which these operations have been conducted, we have had just 1 or 2 civilian casualties, which means that the security forces have exercised extraordinary restraint. And that is because we want to retain that connect with the Awam. And I would like to commit here that all of us will continue to conduct our operations in a manner where we cause minimal inconvenience to the environment. Another important message I want to give here is that of the 49 new recruits who got enrolled into the rank of terrorist tanzeems, 27 have been neutralized. I would like to say here that it doesn't give us any pleasure to neutralize these young boys. But if anybody takes up arms and is causing harm to others, we will do what we are doing. But to stop this whole process, a large number of steps are being taken. Before the operations actually get implemented, we are making further appeals to the militants to surrender. We have had limited success on this front, but where we have been very successful, and I must compliment the security forces here, is our ability to prevent new recruitment, as well as to identify those people who are on the cusp of recruitment. We have been successful here. So my appeal to all the people in the environment, please look out for any signs of people wanting to join tanzeems. Come to us for help. We will ensure that these people are appropriately taken care of, are rehabilitated, and no harm comes to them. The youth of the valley have much brighter future than joining terrorist tanzeems. In the end, I would like to assure everybody that the situation on the line of control and in the hinterland is stable. We will ensure that there will be no misadventure, both from outside of the line of control as well as within the valley. And we'll ensure that the situation is kept more normal, and the people of the valley will be able to go about their job in the most normal manner.
एक तो हम लोग न्यूट्रलाइज कर लिए, उसके मास्टरमाइंड को भी हम लोग न्यूट्रलाइज कर लिए. उसके अलावा 2 आईडी का कार बम का अभी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग को मिला है, उसको हम लोग डेवलप कर रहे हैं. और आईडी एक्सपर्ट जो एक लंबू है जिसको अदनान बोलते हैं पाकिस्तानी जेएस कमांडर, दूसरा वलीद भाई है कुलगाम में। वलीद भाई ये दोनों जो कमांडर्स है, दो इनकाउंटर हमारे इनकाउंटर से भाग गया था, उसके पीछे हम लोग फर्दर डेवलप कर रहे हैं। बहुत जल्दी आईडी से पहले दोनों कमांडर को हम लोग न्यूट्रलाइज कर लेंगे। थ्रेट है लेकिन थ्रेट को हम लोग बहुत जल्दी रिजॉल्व कर लेंगे।
Sir, myself Akib Dar, I am from Young Bites newspaper Jammu sir. Sir, मेरा क्वेश्चन IGP कश्मीर विजय कुमार साहब से। सर, आपने कुछ दिन पहले कहा था कि जो हमें अब नॉर्थ कश्मीर की तरफ कंसंट्रेट करना चाहिए। क्या सर हम समझेंगे कि साउथ कश्मीर में जो मिलिटेंट्स का खात्मा हो रहा है सर?
फ्रेंड्स, आपको अगर याद होगा तो मैंने बोला था नेक्स्ट मंथ अभी 11-12 डेज बाकी है। उससे पहले हम साउथ को सफाई कर ले, फिर नॉर्थ में हम लोग इन डेवलप कर रहे हैं, फिर वहाँ कार्रवाई करना शुरू करेंगे।
Hi sir, this side my name is Irfan Qureshi and from TV9 Pathwash. My question to GFC Saab. So far, more than 100 militants were killed in different operations, especially in South Kashmir. And among many top commanders like Riyaz Naik who was killed in the operation. Do you think there is a huge crisis of leadership, especially in Hizbul Mujahideen and LET nowadays, that is a great success for security forces?
Neutralization of any terrorist leader is a success because of his ability to recruit more people, for his ability to organize. As far as terrorist leaders are concerned, the moment a terrorist leader is killed, a new leader is made. But what is the quality of the new leadership? What is his ability to, organize? His ability to, or his, ability to influence the environment is limited. So the rate at which we are able to neutralize terrorist leadership has a direct impact on peace in the valley. And this is a line that we will continue to maintain.
Thank you, sir. On कर लेना।
No, use the mic. It'll work.
डीजीपी साहब से मेरा क्वेश्चन है। डीजीपी साहब ने अभी बता दिया कि मैं खुश हुआ हूँ कि वीडियोस आ रहे हैं कि लोग तारीफ कर रहे हैं, मस्जिद बच गई। इससे पहले भी कुलगाम में शोपियां में ऐसे ऑपरेशन हो गए जहाँ आपने मिलिटेंट को मारा, उससे एक पिस्टल। कभी ऐसा ट्राई आपने किया कि उनको सरेंडर करें, ऐसे ही टीयर गैस मार के उनको बाहर निकाले, अपार्टमेंट करें, उनकी जान भी बचाए? और वीडियोस आपके लिए
अभी तक कोई आधा दर्जन केसेस ऐसे हैं, स्टार्टिंग अगेन फ्रॉम तराल, जिसमें एक ही हफ्ता पहले लड़का मिलिटेंट बना था, उसके माँ बाप को उसके घर से उठा के लाया गया था, इसीलिए कि माँ बाप को अपील करें और माँ बाप ही उसको लेके अंदर से बाहर आए और उसको एश्योरेंस दे सकें कि ही इज सेफ। कुलगाम में पिछले 15 दिन में 2 ऑपरेशन हुए हैं, जिसमें ऑपरेशन करने से पहले बार बार ये अपील करी गई कि आप सरेंडर करें और आप फोर्सेस के ऊपर अटैक ना करें, फायर ना करें, मगर इसके बावजूद भी ऐसा माहौल वहाँ पर नहीं बन पाया। हमारी कोशिश है कि आने वाले टाइम में इस एक्सरसाइज को फिर से रिपीट करेंगे। ख़ासतौर पे जो नए लड़के ज्वाइन किए हैं, कई बार आइडिया होता है कि अंदर कौन लड़का है, कई बार नहीं होता है। कई बार हम इंतज़ार करते हैं कि आगे से फायर नहीं आएगा, हमारी अपील दलील के सामने अगर कोई पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस आएगा वी विल रिस्पॉन्ड अकॉर्डिंगली, मगर ऐसा माहौल अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं बन पाया है। मगर ऐसा माहौल ज़रूर बन पाया, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा है कि हमने किसी लड़के को मिलिटेंट बनने के बाद एनकाउंटर की सिचुएशन तक पहुंचने नहीं दिया, उससे पहले ही उसकी मदद करके उसको वापस लाया है। आइंदा हम और कोशिश करेंगे कि ऑपरेशन के दौरान भी, एक्सचेंज ऑफ फायर से पहले भी हम कोशिश करें, अगर कोई सरेंडर कर सके तो हम ज़रूर उसको मौका देंगे।